Hi!
Hello.
Welcome to a sensory shorty. I haven't done one of these in a long time, but I have an excuse of I got these candies from the American Dream Mall. I got this girlfriend, my American Dream.
Aww.
So we're gonna taste some of these together. Do you have a preference for what we start with? We've got surprise Kit Kat pack. I've always been complaining about like, oh, those Japanese Kit Kats. I always want to try them, but you can just buy like a huge bag of one flavor. But I saw this, so I was like, oh, I'll do this. And then I saw this, and I know you like Boba tea, so.
I do.
Make your pick. Pick your poison.
Surprise Kit Kat.
All right, we're gonna start with the surprise Kit Kats. Whoa! There you go. Get that out of there. So we've got. Oh, there's a lot in here.
All right, we got some flavors. Let's see.
Looks like orange.
Okay.
You want to hold it up to the camera while I get them out?
Yeah.
Show them orange.
Orange.
That's a lot of orange. Wow.
Oh.
Oh,
Aren't you glad I didn't say orange? Wheat? Question mark?
Do you want to open up my Google Lens and translate it? Oh no, you can see the cute cat pictures I was looking at to show you.
Aww.
It says, Kit, I feel closer to you, whole wheat biscuits made from wheat. So I don't know if that's just like whole wheat on the inside then?
Wheat.
Wheat. We got a lot of wheat. Blah.
Oh.
Yeah, no, there are a lot. Oh, they actually tell me what they're supposed to be in there. That'll be a surprise. We have green.
Nice and tasty. Green.
What do you think it is?
Mint.
This one says adult sweetness. We have, oh, I don't know what this one is. You'll have to show them. Maybe the audience can guess.
Something tea related, I think. Nice and milky. Milk tea.
Milk tea. Are these different flavors or are they just different colors? Oh, we got a lot of wheat here.
Let's see. We have different flavors of milk tea.
There we go. Got
There
two
we
of
go.
only that flavor of milk tea. Oh
We're
wait,
gonna
no, we
have
got
to
another
share.
milk tea.
Another milk tea?
Hey, guess what?
More milk tea.
How'd you know? More orange.
Alright.
So I basically went through all of them to see which one had the most color variety, and I guess this is what we've got.
Wonder if they all taste different. That'd be kind of cool, actually.
Yeah, there might be. Are the subtitles underneath different? So I guess we'll find out. Should we start with the one that might be mint, so you might hate it, even though it's matcha?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see. Are we sharing? Are we breaking our own Kit Kats?
It'll be fun to break off a piece of that Kit Kat bar together. Wow, this is hard to open.
Use your strong hands.
Well, I meant opening one and just breaking it, but okay.
Sorry, I got too excited for the matcha.
Let's see. Does it taste like adult strong matcha?
It's good, actually. You can definitely taste the matcha.
It's a little more intense than I was actually expecting. It's not quite to that like grassy bitter, but you're getting a little of it.
Let's try the orange one.
Okay. I like orange and chocolate. I don't know about you.
I do. Break.
We're breaking up now.
No!
How many times am I gonna make that joke?
As many times as you want.
Definitely smells of orange.
You can smell the orange. You can taste it, too.
Yeah. It's a little bit stinky on the back end.
Really?
Like the pith, you can almost taste. Pith, not the piss, the pith. No, it's
You don't
taught my
want to taste
mom
the piss.
because she can't say it. Whole wheat. Whenever you're concerned that your candy just isn't healthy, well, here now you can have unsatisfying candy.
We're supposed to draw on it?
Yeah. I know. It looks like it's. I was expecting it to be the normal chocolate and then wheat on the inside, but now it looks like it's wheat on the outside.
Let's see. Doesn't smell strongly.
It's a flavor I can't really place.
I'm not getting, like, bread.
No, it is like toasted wheat flavor.
I'm
Probably
trying to
should've-
get, like, notes of it, but it's like, really faint.
Yeah, if I had tasted this one first, I think it would have been stronger because the matcha was strong, the
Sorry,
orange is pretty
matcha.
strong, and this one's kind of weak.
Okay, it's a light one, then.
And now we have 5 different types of milk tea.
Watch them all taste the same. Watch them all taste the same. Which
That's
one
what
do
we're
you
gonna
want to
find
try first?
Purple's my favorite color.
Oh, let's see. Bon appetit. You definitely get the milky flavor from it.
No, that's what I imagine it would taste like.
Not bad.
It's weird to say that white chocolate's almost a little too strong for the tea flavor.
I feel like the regular chocolate would overpower it, though. Like, it'd be too
Yeah.
much.
I guess we'll find out if the milk tea tastes the same.
Let's see. We did
Pick your
purple.
poison.
Let's do blue. Or teal.
My tongue does not feel sharp enough to tell if it's different. But that's okay, because I have the cheat sheet.
Okay, it tastes the same to me.
Yeah, according to this, they should be the same.
Okay, it's just pretty colors. Did you have a favorite?
You know, I just like the matcha.
I'll say matcha was my favorite too, actually.
Success! Yeah, it's what I'm used to. as a flavor as well. Yeah. Orange and chocolate I like,
Mhm.
but I mentioned a little stanky. Apparently that's supposed to be biscuit flavor?
I didn't get biscuit. I got the note you said was like slightly toasty, but
Yeah.
it wasn't too strong.
Maybe they did more like a Biscoff, you know that spread? The like cookie butter spread?
And I actually don't like Biscoff too much. It's too strong.
Alright, out of the video. Get out of here.
Sorry, goodbye.
Wait, no. But definitely beans on my own. Now we've got calling all Boba tea fans. The
I'm
perfect
here.
peeling off the wet label. The perfect flavor balance of tea, yummy tapioca balls, and sweetness. Boba milk tea jelly beans from Jelly Belly are available in 5 creamy flavors. They're a great way to enjoy your favorite bubble tea without the straw.
So you mean I can't suck them up with a straw?
I even ate 53 Black Licorice jelly beans through a straw. Why won't you tell me the formula?
You've been removed from screen.
Yeah, I put this in the wrong spot because it was wet.
No.
Wet beans.
Can I make it back here before she jumps down? That was the
We
question.
get back here before I finish showing the jelly beans.
Yeah, but I have real beans coming up. Hi, baby. Come here. Come here, baby. Ugh. Oh, she is upset. Upsetty spaghetti girl.
We've got mango, taro, matcha
No.
again, strawberry milk,
No.
and Thai.
I didn't make it.
Yeah. I wouldn't expect you to.
I didn't want to upset her.
I sent you there to die. I'll get her.
Yes, boyfriend to the rescue.
Yeah.
Look at cute baby cat.
I'm not gonna put her on the counter. I don't want her to pick up that habit. Now I have to wash my hands. You entertain people who aren't even live. All right.
Oh, it's so cute.
Just like you.
Aw.
What flavor did you want to start with?
Purple. Oh, make sure you show them the thing on the camera.
Oh, I did already. One
Oh.
more gone.
Let's try purple.
All right. Do you remember what purple's supposed to be?
Taro?
Okay.
Taro's not really a strong flavor to me typically either, though.
No, it's pretty much just tastes like jelly bean and maybe the lightest bit.
Oh, you get it when you bite into it a little more. Okay. Okay. That's not bad.
Yeah, I mean, it exists.
Mm-hmm.
I want to save matcha for later.
Okay, too strong of a flavor.
Let's try strawberry, your favorite fruit.
As long as it's not real strawberry, I'm happy.
Yep, that's strawberry.
Oh, yeah. You get that one immediately, actually.
So what makes it bubble tea versus just strawberry flavor?
Well, for the taro, I can almost kind of taste the boba, it seems.
So you think that one had a bit of a tea taste?
Yeah, the strawberry, you just get tasty, but not tea tasty.
Yeah, they're all supposed to be milk tea, so I guess they have a little bit of that dairy tea note, but I didn't notice it really with the taro.
Not for the strawberry. The taro kind.
Alright, you're picking next.
Yellow. No!
Sorry, it was tempting. It was for
Oh.
content.
My forehand.
It's for content! You'll forgive me, right?
Maybe.
Oh. Yeah, it tastes like a mango jelly bean. I don't know what I expected.
I mean, it tastes good, but I don't get the tea note, though.
Mr. T would be very disappointed.
I'm sorry, Mr. T.
I guess Thai coffee? Which I don't drink coffee. You'll have to be the coffee expert here. Not very coffee-y. What's Thai coffee supposed to taste like?
Maybe try that one again.
So it tastes like the vague concept of coffee.
The best
Matcha
one.
again. Is it gonna be our favorite? That's why I saved it for last.
Mm.
Much lighter matcha than the Kit Kat.
I kind of get like a milk tea from this one, actually.
Okay, you think it's a little milkier
Mm-hmm.
than the other 4 jelly beans.
The fail beans.
Does that mean matcha's our favorite again?
I think it's a toss-up between taro or matcha,
Okay.
mango, strawberry, and then Thai tea.
Okay. It's very tidy. I didn't have a ranking in mind. You're being much more professional about this than me. Matcha,
Matcha.
strawberry, mango, taro, coffee.
Okay.
So at least those are very identifiable flavors to me, the strawberry and the mango, even if they're not my fave. You could pick one of these bachelor beans. Which one will you take home with you tonight?
I guess probably the taro. I
Alright,
had to pick one to take home.
here you go.
Oh,
Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
thank you for having me. Bye-bye.